This extremely well-maintained Minto Villa with a view is waiting for you. Looking for an open concept and a split floor plan? The Buttonwood offers exactly that. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and a den/office. This particular home has an amazing and private pond view. Located in Verona, a small exclusive gated area of Sun City Center offers a pool within the gates, in addition to the Sun City Center Recreation Center, clubs, pools and more, and is a maintenance-free area. As you pull up to the driveway you will notice a few features: paved driveway, garage screen, rain gutters. Walking to the side entrance of the villa you will notice extra spacing between the homes and the view of the pond. Entering the home, you will be able to appreciate the open floor plan. To the left is the family room, straight ahead is the dining area right by the spacious kitchen featuring a large island and new appliances. As you enter, to your right through the French doors you will find the office/den. The split floor plan offer a bedroom on each side of the villa allowing for separate living quarters. The guest bedroom is located in the front of the home with its own bathroom and the laundry room leading to the garage featuring epoxy flooring. The spacious master suite is located in the back of the home overlooking the pond and featuring amazing natural light, a suite master bathroom with a large walk-in closet. The spacious living room provides a tri-folding sliding door to the lanai which perfect to enjoy your coffee and watch Florida wildlife. A smart water heater and the refrigerator were replaced in 2023. The roof was replaced and the home was painted in December 2022 along with new toilets and faucets in the bathrooms and the dishwasher.